Hello, this video is about hiding apps in Huawei on your phone. So to hide your apps, you don't need to download any kinds of application. You just need to follow these simple steps. So let's start. First of all, you need to zoom out with two of your hand. I mean two of your finger, not hand. Yeah, whatever. And then click add and select which apps you want to hide. Let's say I want to hide this Instagram, my Airtel, and WhatsApp. After that, click OK. Now to check that hidden apps, you need to zoom out with your finger again, and here's your hidden application. Now if you want to remove the hidden apps, you just need to click here and unselect it. Click OK. It's very simple. Thank you for watching this video.